Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to update Truecaller. So let me launch this up. Right, as you can see right here, usually what it will do, it will tell you that it is not compatible with your current version. There's no option in the app to update it directly. So all you need to do is come here to your Play Store if you're on your Android device, or your Apple App Store on your iOS device. Search for Truecaller. Okay, just go ahead and search up the app. So here we go, Truecaller. As you can see, we have it right here, and there's an update available. Okay, you can just come and click on update from Play, click on this. Okay, you basically just need to click on update, and it will start downloading the update for you. Just wait for it to be done. As you can see, it's almost done, and once it is done, I'll go ahead and launch it up and show you that it is the latest update. Okay, so there we go, 100%. All right, so now it's installing the update. And then you can just go ahead and click on open. Really that easy and simple.